All right, guys. Today we're going to take a look at a new listing of mine here in San Diego. This boat is on the moorings in America's Cup Harbor. You can see that from this picture. However, it is definitely the nicest boat on the moorings out there. The owner is really good at maintenance, and he just pulled the boat, just painted the bottom. He added the solar panel there so he can charge the battery up for the bilge pump and everything else while it's out there on the moorings. Moorings are not transferable. You can get on that list, of course, but 30-foot slips are quite easy to come by in San Diego Bay. We don't see the, long waits that you do with a 40-footer. There's that propane locker. It has a 2-burner propane range. As we go down to the salon, note that deep stainless steel sink. There's a microwave, a refrigerator. It's a Coolmatic. There's a little fold-up leaf on the port side of that table to give you even more seating. You can probably seat about 6 people around that table. And that table also drops down to convert to a berth in the salon as well, though you don't really need a lot more spots for sleeping in this boat because you have a V-berth with a double bed as well as an aft cabin transverse under the cockpit there that accommodates two as well. Newer stereo with Bluetooth capability, and both the V-berth and that aft cabin have hard doors separating them from the salon. Really nice for a little bit of privacy. Also in that aft cabin, you've got that shelf, you've got 2 lockers in there. There's a lot of room. This is a video of the motor running while starting from idle and then revving up to full wide open throttle. Those belts are a little loose. We noticed that when we were taking the video, and he has replaced and tightened those. There's my face. Please give me a call, 619-313-3664. It'll be my pleasure to get you aboard and sell you this boat. I don't think this one's going to last long. It really is in great shape. So give me a call, 619-313-3664. Thank you.